Hey Joe, my name's Scott Rice, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. I noticed you're with Service Experts Heating and Air Conditioning, and you're the sales manager there, so congrats on that position. Would love to help you guys actually drive more business into your establishment there, and I think I could give you some pointers on helping you do that. I understand it looks like you guys may be a franchise, so you may be limited on what you can do, but I'd be happy to discuss opportunities to even work with a franchise across the board. But I'm located in the Orlando area and would like to get to know you and possibly help the Orlando branch first. But I found by giving people an easy free plan of attack with actual things they can do to impact their business has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Scott, please do this for me. So if by the end of this video you liked what you heard and you can see that I have a solid plan of attack that can help your business grow, shoot me a message and we will discuss further. Or at the end of this video you simply want to take this free plan of attack I gave you and do it yourself, that works as well. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I'd like to discuss is content. And that's the number one most important thing as far as Google is concerned in ranking websites is content. So let's just take a look at the content that you guys have on your home page. Google says they'd like to see somewhere between 1,500 and 2,000 words on the home page. And what I see right now on your home page is 541 words. So if you just hop over here and you look at Shamrock Plumbing, which is one of your competitors here in the Orlando market, they're actually ranked fairly well for several searches. They have 1,327 words. So still not the 1,500 words that Google recommends, but 1,327, as you can tell, is obviously better than 541, which helps their opportunities to rank. So I'm going to jump over here now and talk to you about keywords. And so as you can tell here with Service Experts Orlando, you guys have 586 organic keywords, and your traffic from those keywords, you're only getting 33 for the month. And if you look over here to your competitor, Shamrock Plumbing, they have 536 organic keywords, so a little bit less than what you guys have, but their organic traffic's at 675 compared to your organic traffic at 33. So a huge difference in organic traffic. And just so you know, that organic traffic is natural traffic to your website, where you don't have to pay to be. So the pay-per-click ads would be like these ads at the top of a Google search, where companies, top or the bottom of Google search, where companies actually pay to have this placement, right? And then these that are in the numbers here, these are organic listings. These websites are ranked based on just how the website's created, whereas these companies that have the ads next to them are paying for those spots. So as you can tell, their organic traffic is really strong, and we would like to get your website doing the same, if not even stronger. So the second thing I'd like to talk about is citations. And citations are, if you look at the Google Map Pack, which is here, this is your Google Map Pack, and what causes you to be able to rank there are citations that point back to your website. So anything that has your name, your address, and your phone number that links back to your site, that would be considered a citation. So if you look at the citations, you guys have 8, and Shamrock Plumbing has 9. So citations are very close. So not much of a difference there. We could easily add several more citations here and blow them out of the water with citations. So we could certainly help you out with that. And Then the third thing I want to talk about is actual backlinks. So Service Experts Orlando, you guys have 43 backlinks, 17 referring domains, and your competitor has 310 backlinks and 119 referring domains. So those are several different reasons why they're ranking so much better organically than what your website is. But we could easily come in here and we can see all the backlinks that are directing to Shamrock Plumbing. So we can actually go after all those backlinks and backlink them to Service Experts Heating and Air Conditioning as well, and also go after more backlinks. So we can end up having more backlinks than they have and become stronger in Google's eyes. So once again, in closing, let's go over what we talk about. We talk about content on your page, we could certainly help you with citations, sites that are pointing back to your website, and number 3, backlinks, or what they call link juice, from relevant sites pointing back to your site, which shows Google you're an authority. If you implement these strategies today, you can be on the first page of Google for those very important keywords and phrases. With that said, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, or if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, give me a call at 407-250-9660. Once again, my name is Scott with Extreme Digital, and my number is 407-250-9660. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day.